Hey, what's up guys? Today I thought it would be fun to call some of you that have ordered some stuff from the AROS Welding store. A huge thanks to everybody who's ordered this year. We've slowly but surely got some more products, and we're very thankful for everybody that has supported the store. And I thought this would be fun just to call people and see how they were liking their product. Alright, so let's just jump right in and start calling.
Hello.
Hey, is this Wyatt?
Yes sir, who am I speaking with?
This is Austin Ross with the AROS Welding store and YouTube channel.
Oh, hey Austin, how are you doing?
I'm doing alright. I just calling to thank you for your order of the circle burner.
Oh, no problem, man. I appreciate it. I've been trying to find them for a while now, and I finally found your website, and I was like, hey, I'm going to give me a couple of them, and I actually ordered 3, and 2 of them are Christmas presents.
Nice.
So,
You don't have any questions for me while I got you on the phone, do you?
no sir, no, most of my questions are answered from your YouTube channel. I don't know if I've skipped a video yet, but I keep up with you on YouTube quite frequently, so
Right on.
a lot of my questions get answered over that.
Good deal. Good deal. Well, I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I just wanted to call and let you know I appreciate your order, and hope you have a Merry Christmas.
Well, man, you too. That means a lot for somebody to pick up the phone and call like that. It means a lot, you know. Most people don't do that.
Yeah,
So,
well,
I appreciate it.
you bet. And like I said, we sure appreciate the support, man. We couldn't do it without you. So.
Yeah, no problem. If there's anything y'all need that I can help out with, y'all give me a holler. I'm probably, if you're around the Stillwater area, I'm about 2 hours from you, so
I got you.
give me a holler if y'all need a hand with anything.
Well, I sure appreciate that, Wyatt. I sure do. I hope you have a Merry Christmas.
Yes, sir. You too.
Hey, thank you.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, the next person I'm going to call, I've actually talked to before. We had to call him and verify his address. His name is Waymond, not Raymond, but Waymond with a W. He ordered a circle burner and an extension, and he should have just got it, so he probably hasn't had a chance to use it yet.
Hello.
Is this Waymond?
This is Sam.
Hey Waymond, this is Austin Ross again. I was just calling to thank you for your order and make sure you got it. Did you get it in the mail, your circle burner?
Yeah, man, I got it last night, and I'm going to give that dude a whirl tomorrow. I got a fence building job I'm going to go do, and we're gonna try her out.
Nice. That's exciting, isn't it? That thing's super handy.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Man, it is. You make it look pretty handy and easy, so we're excited to give it a whirl.
yeah, I mean, it definitely, still takes some finesse. Like, you got to do it a few times to get the swing of it. But, I mean, you know how it is. It's just with anything else, But I just wanted to call and thank you and wish y'all a Merry Christmas.
All right, man. Well, we appreciate it, Austin, and likewise. Merry Christmas to you and your wife.
You bet. Thank you. We sure appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Hello.
Hey, is this Kyle? Hey, Kyle, this is Austin Ross from YouTube and the AROS Welding store. Can you hear me all right?
Mr. Austin Ross, holy shit, how are you?
I'm doing all right. Hey, I was just calling to thank you for your order, man. I'm calling a few customers and just thanking them for their order. We sure appreciate it.
Oh, dude, not a problem. I'm super stoked that you called me.
Do you have any questions for me while I got you on the phone?
So I'm actually at welding school right now.
Okay. What welding school are you? What welding school are you going to?
So I'm going to Tri-Community Adult School here in Covina, California.
Okay.
And I'm doing my combination welder. We're starting off with stick welding 60-10 and then 70-18 and whatnot.
Yeah.
I think the only question I have for you is, I know that you weld a lot in 3G on pipe.
Yeah.
What was the hardest G for you to like get? You know what I mean? Like for you to actually get down.
Yeah. I don't. That's hard to answer because I always feel like I'm still learning. You know what I mean? But it's I don't know. I mean, I'd say I'd say the 6G, you know, on a 45 would be the, especially after you've done a lot of like regular, you know, just horizontal welds or whatever. You know, you go to a 45, it's just weird to get used to. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Where?
We haven't done those quite yet.
Yeah. Where you say you're on 3G and what is?
3G is vertical.
Okay. How are you liking that? I mean it.
I mean, there's different techniques. The instructors here are they're really helpful.
Yeah.
But there's only like maybe one or two of them during the class, and there's like 30 kids.
Yeah.
30
Yeah.
adults.
Yeah.
So it's getting that one-to-one time where it's like, okay, how would you do it? And then they show you their method, and then you try their method, and another guy comes in like, no, you're supposed to do it like this, or this looks prettier, or this is nicer. And it's like, look, man.
Yeah. That's why I always that's all the more reason to like be open to learn, but also do what works for you, and be willing to try something new yourself, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? That's why I'm always so open to learning, because there's not a right or wrong way necessarily. It's welding's one of them things where you just got to do whatever works for you. You know what I mean? You see something a little bit different than the next guy. You know what I mean? There's so many different variables that go into welding that like it literally depends on how much experience you got. Depends on the welding rod you're welding with. It depends on the weather. It depends on, like you said, the position you're welding in. It depends on everything. The machine you're using. There's so many different variables that it's literally just, I can't preach hood time enough. Like literally just as many rods as you can burn, as many hours a day as you can do it. That's the best way to. You'll look back and realize that you've came somewhere and you didn't even realize you were getting there because you're slowly learning. You know what I mean? That muscle memory.
Yeah. I've been trying to get into this program for about 6 years.
Oh wow.
And,
wow.
So I work for an ambulance company. I run 911 calls and whatnot on a rig.
Wow.
And I was watching your videos one night, and I was like, oh man, yeah, I remember when I wanted to do welding, and I bought stuff, and I was like, no, it's not me. You know what I mean? I can never get into the program. Screw it, I'm going to do something else.
Yeah.
And actually watching your videos inspired me to try again, and I got into the program.
That's wild.
Yeah, I bought your guys' pipeline book, and I've been trying to look at that and kind of decipher that. Because everything here is hands-on. They don't really give you a book. There's no classroom. Yeah. I've kind of taken to your motto where, you know, learn something new every day. You know, don't walk in thinking you know everything.
Yeah.
Walk in, you know, open-minded and willing to learn.
Absolutely. It's been helpful for me anyway. So that's
so
awesome.
I even have one of your "Come On" stickers on my helmet.
There you go. Come on with it. Come on. Well, Kyle, I don't want to keep up, any more of your time here or take up any more of your time, but I sure appreciate your answer, and I appreciate your order, man. We really, really appreciate it.
Well, I'll definitely buy some more stuff, and dude, I appreciate the phone call. This absolutely positively made my day.
You bet. It's my pleasure, man. It's my pleasure.
All right, man. We'll
you have
stay happy, stay healthy.
You too, and you have a Merry Christmas, okay?
You too, man. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, bye.
It's so much fun. I like it. It's cool talking to those of you who order. Like, it's cool putting even though I can't see you guys whenever I call you, it's still cool to put a voice and have that that closer relationship. I don't know, it's just cool. You feel more connected this way. So I really love that Kayla gives me these ideas, because it wasn't all my idea to do this, but I absolutely loved the idea whenever she brought it up. So Nick, he ordered some emoji stickers. Come on. Come on. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, is this Nick?
Yeah, this is him.
Hey Nick, this is Austin Ross with the AROSSWELDING Store and the YouTube channel here.
How you doing?
I'm doing alright. I was just calling to thank you for your order of the stickers you got here.
Oh man, absolutely. Thank you. I put it on my welding hood, actually.
Good deal. Yeah, I've just been calling a few customers randomly and just thanking them for their order and wishing them a Merry Christmas, and also asking them if they had any questions for me. You don't have any questions for me while I got you on the phone, do you?
I don't. have any questions, but it is really good to hear from you. I enjoy watching all your content, and yeah, man, really good to hear from you.
Awesome. Are you where are you at in the welding career, or what do you do?
I'm in California. I'm a millwright. I'm a journeyman now. I'm in a union myself, and I just finished my 5-year apprenticeship. So yeah, I'm a journeyman now. I weld and fabricate mainly. No pipe, although that is kind of my goal, my end goal maybe. I weld, fabricate a lot of stuff for like conveyor systems, and then I just got my crane license, so I go and operate cranes from time to time as well in power plants and stuff like that.
Nice. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Thank you. But I have been really wanting to become a rig welder or build my own shop or something. I haven't quite figured that out yet. I'm just kind of going along with it.
Yeah. I think that's best anyway, man. I mean, it's good to have a long-term goal, obviously, but you just can't beat experience, and that's what you're doing. You know what I mean? Like it'll kind of lead itself. Your direction with what you're doing there. You know what I mean? So, absolutely.
Yeah, that's the way I'm taking it, and I've been getting more and more side work. So
yeah.
As long as I'm working, we're good.
Absolutely. Yep. Just any kind of experience is good experience, and all the people you meet along the way will be there to help. You know what I mean? Like take you to the next wherever you might want to go. Whatever interests you most. Your next chapter, if you will, or whatever. So that's awesome.
Absolutely. Thank you.
You bet. Well, I won't take up any more of your time. I just wanted to thank you for your order and wish you a Merry Christmas, Nick.
Hey, Merry Christmas to you, and thanks for calling.
You bet. Hey, be safe out there.
All right. You too, man. All right, bye.
Bye.
Hello, this is Dale.
Hey, Dale, this is Austin Ross from YouTube in the AROSSWELDING store. How's it going?
Hey, man, how's it going? It's strange to hear your voice over the phone after watching the YouTube video.
Yeah. I just was calling.
That's awesome, man.
I was just calling a few customers and thanking them for their order. So I really appreciate your order, man.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it too, man. It's great quality. I actually just put the stickers on my office window in my welding classroom today.
Nice.
So I appreciate it.
That's awesome. That's exciting. Yeah, I just wanted
appreciate it very much, man.
Yeah.
Keep up all your good work too, man. I've learned a lot from watching your videos.
Good deal. That's what we like to hear. You don't have any questions for me while I got you on the phone, do you?
No, man. I'm good to go.
All right.
I'm good to go. I appreciate it, though.
You bet. And thanks again for the support, and hope you have a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it. You too, man. Stay safe.
You too. All right, boy, that was quite a time. I really liked doing that. I'm thankful Kayla suggested this video because, I mean, that just, I don't know. There's something about being connected to people that are supporting you and what you do. There's just a lot of power in that. So, thank those of you who have ordered. Thank those of you that I talked to today. I hope everybody's liking their products and stuff. We sure enjoy catering to the store here and packaging orders and it's not something we saw ourselves doing, I'd say 2 years ago, we had the Industrial Tradition store, but the AROS Welding store really, this year, has really kind of growed, if that's even the word. It has really taken off. Of course, we just cater to, comments that we get and emails and stuff. For those of you that comment or are wanting stuff, we try to respond to that, and we've obviously found something you guys need and want, the circle burner, the soapstone, now we got welding shirts. So all that to say is we're just super thankful for all the support, all of you customers. We couldn't do it without you guys, so this video is dedicated to you all. So thank you so much for the order. Speaking of the stores, Industrial Tradition and AROS Welding both, Kayla and I, it's just Kayla and I, so we're been, I guess you could say, stretched thin or whatever, doing all we can to keep up. But as of the holiday season, we're going to be taking off a couple of weeks. So the store will be open. You can order something on the store, either one of the stores, the AROS Welding store or the Industrial Tradition, but it may not ship out until after the first of the year. So that's the status of that there. But again, thank you guys so much for everything you guys do for us and any way that you support us watching our videos. And we just hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. We're wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. If you are looking for a networking place or a community to join as far as the welding industry, you know, if you're looking to meet more people in the industry or just have people to converse with about different subjects, the AROSS Welding Inner Circle is something Kayla and I created, mostly Kayla. With different circles, you can join the ones that you're most interested in: small business, pipeline, welding rigs. I mean, I've got tons of different circles. Pipeline wives, we've even got a section for. And anyway, if you're looking for a community to join, you can join the AROSS Welding Inner Circle. It's now only $5 a month. It's more active now than it ever has been, and we're thankful to be able to offer that also. But again, I can't thank you all enough for all the support over this past year, and we hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. And remember, learn something every day.